welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tejal and I'm a fitness instructor and a competitive bikini athlete. So that you have bounced on this channel, you've got to see a lot of food recipes, lifestyle videos, fitness videos, and altogether everything which is going to make your life better. So I'm going to show you in this video how to make an homemade mayonnaise. So you get lot of mayonnaise with flavors in the market, but they are all high in calories. And if you're someone who want to keep a check on their calories and who's dieting and want to make their food more interesting and flavorful, mayonnaise is something which we all love. And I'm going to show you how to make your own mayonnaise at home, which looks and tastes exactly like the market ones. So without wasting any other time, let's hop to my kitchen. So here is everything which you need to make egg mayonnaise at home. So first we'll take a blender. In that we're going to simply crack 2 eggs. So this is the first one and the second one as well. So I've cracked 2 eggs in this. In this I'm going to go and add olive oil. So I'm going to add 100 grams of olive oil first. I'll add a little bit and then I'll blend it, and then afterwards I'll add another 100 ml. So we'll put salt. I've taken Himalayan salt, and then we can put, this is stevia, 0 calories. This is a replacement for sugar, so I'm adding in stevia as well. So I like my mayonnaise to be a little sweet, so I've added 2 packets of stevia, and let's just blend this. It has turned. So see, you can see it's formed in a white liquidy texture. So we need to blend this more, and we need to add a little bit of more oil so it forms into a thick texture. Go ahead and add a little bit more oil. To this mayo, see, it's forming into a thick texture now. So I forgot to add apple cider vinegar, so I'm just going to go ahead and add like a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in this. Let's go ahead and blend this more. You can see I'm going to remove some and blend it more because it's coming out of my blender. Don't worry if it's getting messy, you can always go ahead and clean it. More than thick. So remember guys, this is like an keto friendly recipe. I usually use this mayo for my salad and for anything in which I just want to add some flavor. So in salad it works best. You can go ahead and add some flavors in this. So this is my homemade mayonnaise which I made with 2 eggs, olive oil, and some 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, salt and stevia. I'm not using any kind of sugar or anything. it's all sugar free, so it's keto friendly. I'm going to go ahead and keep this in fridge, and it can be easily stored for like 1 week. So I add 1 tablespoon, like this is the tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of this in my salads and anything which I make for my meal. Okay, so this was all about how to make your own mayonnaise at home. The market ones which you get are very high in calories, and that is more than 200 calories 1 tablespoon, which is not affordable for someone who's on diet and someone who's on calorie deficit diet or maybe also gaining diet. So this mayonnaise which we made right now at home is less than 70 calories per tablespoon, which is very good to go, and it you can store this in your fridge for a long time and use it in all your salads, or maybe a snack with some celery or carrots, or maybe you can use it with stir fry veggies or make your own pasta out of it. It's very useful and very handy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment. Also comment suggestions and the content which you would like to see on this YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon because it's going to notify you each time I'm up with a new video. Until next time, goodbye and lots of love.